As an IT director, I hear software salesmen every day, all day. 90% of what they're telling you, it probably isn't true, and you really got to get in and get a proof of concept done in order to really see what you're dealing with. But with these guys, I mean, that product really sells itself. We've taken some facilities, one specifically in Collingwood, Canada. It's our VOC facility. It's a webbing site. They had some significant challenges with keeping their looms running and their machines operational. And so when we implemented it plant-wide. And I think within the first 2 months, we had a 5 to 10% increase in throughput. We're seeing that in China. We implemented one site in China, and then it was like throwing a match in a dry field. Everybody saw the results and it just went crazy. I think the biggest benefit is the engagement with the operators. You fix a lot of things, but if you're not fixing the root cause of the problem, you still have a problem. So the fact that we engage them and they're involved, we have that operator certification portal now that ensures that, hey, if we've got 3 guys working in the cell, that they've been certified to run all those pieces of equipment. We monitor that, we check that, the employees are engaged. The morale has gone up in facilities because they feel like they are empowered and part of the solution to fix the problem. Management will sit in a room and think they know the problem, but the reality is those guys know the problem.